All right, I'm the Flat Rate Master, and today we're looking at the tool heads crate that I paid for. All right, this is going to be another unboxing, and this one I paid for. So I paid for it. So let's see if it's any better than the first one. Now, I forgot to cancel, so my bad, not his. If you don't know, this is by JRC 54 and Rust Belt Mechanic, and they put out these crates. So we'll see what's in it. I haven't opened it, so we'll see what's in it. Okay, this one looks a little better. More shop rags for some reason. Here's the one from last month. All right. Little note. I'm not going to bore you by reading it. Let's see what we got. We got some CalHawk Pro wire strippers. We got some CalHawk 20 gauge soldering wire tube. We got a card from SB Tools with a promo code on the back. Some heat shrinkable wire wrap, heat shrink. Well, that's kind of nice. A pair of flush cut cutters for zip ties. A butane pencil torch. I'm guessing for shrinking this. A 10mm safe toolbox sticker. A CalHawk 30-watt soldering iron and desoldering pump. And a Tool Heads t-shirt. So a little better on the tools this month. And remember, I paid for this, so this is mine. I didn't get this stuff for free. So hope you liked this video. If you did, give me a thumbs up. Thanks for watching. I am the Flat Rate Master.